Hi Cardinals, let's get started. I have a little song to get us moving. Are you ready? Okay. It's time to wiggle your toes. It's time to wiggle your toes. It's time to wiggle your toes. Reach up and touch your nose. It's time to wiggle your hands. It's time to wiggle your hands. It's time to wiggle your hands. Now it's time to stand. It's time to wiggle your feet. It's time to wiggle your feet. It's time to wiggle your feet. Now let's take a seat. That was fun. It is a rainy day here, and I have a little poem I'd like to share. Are you ready? Okay. Raindrops, raindrops, falling all around. Pitter patter on the rooftops, pitter patter on the ground. Here is my umbrella. It will keep me dry. When I go walking in the rain, I hold it up so high. I have a little message for us next. It's kind of silly, but I think you'll be able to help me out. Are you ready? Okay. Good morning. 2A, let's some rhyming. Love and Rena and Liz. Wow, this is a silly one. Now remember, it's not at the beginning of the sentence, it's the last letter. So if it's in the word, it's going to be a lowercase letter. Let's do it. Goo, good, da, 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 D. So a little circle, a little curve, and a big line. Good morning. That makes more sense. 2A, to da, 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 today. Another little curve, and a big line. Another D. Good morning. Today, let's do some rhyming. Little curve, big line. Good morning. Today, let's do some rhyming. Love and Andrina. Nope. Andrina. Da, da, da. I have a D in my name. Little curve and a big line. Good morning. Today, let's do some rhyming. Love, Andrina, and Liz. Thanks for your help. I have something here I haven't shown you before. It's called my rhyming basket. It has some things from my house in it. Let's see if they rhyme. First, my pet rock. Rock. What rhymes with rock? Clock. Rock. Clock. He's a good friend of mine. This one's kind of sweet. Honey. Honey. What rhymes with honey? Bunny. There's my cute little bunny. Honey. Bunny. Those are rhyming words. Uh-oh, kind of silly. Roll. Roll. Hole. The sock has a big hole in it. You stick your fingers in there. There's also a hole in here. I can see you. Roll, hole. Last one. Car. That's an old kind of car. Car. Jar. Here's my jar of pennies. Car. Jar. Those are some good rhyming things that I found in my house. Maybe you can find some rhyming things at your house. Corey's here with me. Corey has something he wants to tell me. That's right, Corey. Corey says, April showers bring May flowers. That's a good thing about rainy days. They do bring flowers. You're right, Corey. April showers bring May flowers. I have a little song about our water cycle. Let's hear it. Ready? Water travels in a cycle, yes it does. Water travels in a cycle, yes it does. It goes up in evaporation, it forms clouds as condensation, then comes down as precipitation. Yes, it does. Yes, it does. Yeah. We'll sing that again. So next time. Here is our water cycle. I made this poster to help us see how that looks, what that looks like. So our song reminded me that evaporation, water changes from a liquid to a gas as it's heated by the sun. There it's getting heated by the sun and goes up as evaporation. Next, condensation. Water vapor changes from a gas to a liquid as it cools. When it goes up high, it cools off and forms these big clouds. Precipitation. Water falls to the Earth's surface as snow, rain, sleet, that's an icy rain, or hail. There's the snow falling on the mountaintop and the rain's coming down. Precipitation. Collection. The water collects on Earth's surface. It collects on Earth's surface in oceans, lakes, rivers, and streams. And then the cycle continues. Once it's collected, it gets warmed by the sun and the water moves in the water cycle. It's important for us to take care of our oceans and streams and the water on our Earth because that's all the water that we have. We need to take care of it and make sure that it's good for us so that we can have, it can help us, it can help the plants, it can help the animals. Water is important. I have a story called Rain. Are you ready? It's written by Marion Dane Bauer. She is the author. And it's illustrated by John Wallace. He drew the pictures. Rain. Perfect for a rainy day. The day is hot. The sun shines bright. The flowers wilt and the grass grows limp. Oof. They must be thirsty. Even the birds are still. And then a gray cloud covers the sun. The cloud is made of tiny drops of water. The drops grow larger and larger. They bump into one another. They grow so heavy that they fall. There's the big droplets of rain. Rain. The flowers drink, the grass drinks. They look much better. The birds drink. The world is fresh and clean. The sun comes out bright and hot. It shines and shines and shines until... Where did the puddle go? Into the air. Into the sky. Into that cloud up there. It's getting bigger. And then tiny droplets of water gather into clouds again. The drops grow heavier and heavier until rain falls once more. And then the world smiles. It's fun to jump in puddles. I know that you guys like to play with mud. So here are some facts about rain. I'll share them with us. It takes millions of cloud droplets to form one raindrop. And the first drops of rain that fall are usually the larger ones because they're the heaviest. That's why they come down. They get so heavy and fall down. Now, in the summer, when it's hot out, many raindrops start out as ice crystals because they're so high in the air, and the higher that we go in the sky, the colder it gets. But if the weather on the ground is warm, the ice turns into water when it falls. And again, here's the important one. The water we have on Earth is all we'll ever have. We must use the same water over and over again and again. First is water, then rain or snow, and water again. And so it's important for us to keep our lakes and rivers and streams and oceans all clean. I know we'll be talking a little bit later on this week about Earth Day, where we take care of our Earth. Okay, hope you had fun. We'll do some more stuff later, and I'll see you soon.